Hey everybody, hope this video finds you well. I just want to do a quick comparison between Infusionsoft's calendar and Kartra's calendar integration. So first of all, Infusionsoft does not come with a calendar integration. So for the $199, $299, $399 that Infusionsoft charges you, you have to do an additional plugin. So the one that I've used in the past and I think is the best one for it is Appointment Core. And so it starts at an additional $27 a month. You can do team for 47 or the professional for 87 depending on what features you need. But this by far is the best one that integrates with Infusionsoft. So as normal with Infusionsoft, a lot of stuff doesn't come out of the box with it. You have to buy additional plugins. So you would buy Appointment Core for $27. But Kartra actually works perfectly with your Google Calendar and is all built in, included in the price. And so let me just show you real quick. So what you do is on the right hand side you can go to integrations, and then all you have to do is connect an integration with your Google Calendar, and it's really simple. It's like one click login. You just click sync with Google. It has you log in with your Gmail account and you're all set to go. So you just set that up. That's the first step. And then the second step is you would actually go to My Calendars. When you click there, you get, you basically can just build a new calendar. And let me show you real quick how easy it is to set up. So I'm just going to edit this calendar and take you through the steps. So this is a calendar I have set up, for like a 1-hour call with me. So the first thing you do, as always in Kartra, you just go from left to right and set everything up. So you can add your logo to your calendar. You can also add a custom marquee if you have like an image you want to include, and then decide on the time zone. So I have it set to always use the respective user's time zone. It makes it real easy. So then the next step is you set up your schedule. So if I wanted to do, you can set up as many as you want. So I just have basically one class schedule set up here where it's a 1-hour call with me, and then I have me selected as the user, so you can select different users. And then my availability basically is 10 to 5 my time year round. So, and then down here you can say don't allow people to book within the next couple days. So I like at least 48 hours notice. And you can block specific dates, and then you can add payments here. But this is just a free booking calendar for somebody to book a 1-hour call, a free 1-hour call with me. So I can just save that. Let me make sure I went to the bottom. Yep. And then the opt-in form is just set up as My Calendar so that people can just opt in. Let me hit save and next. Communications, I have it set up. You can do email confirmations and reminders. So I want it to come from my info at matthoagland.com through the free Kartra email. And then I do want to send a confirmation email as soon as they book, but I don't have it set up to send any reminders. But you could change it here and have it send it like a day before, 24 hours before, 2 hours before the call. You can set up all those emails right here, really simple. And then allow people to cancel, and I have it instantly approve the session, because what it's going to do is it's going to look at my Gmail calendar, and then if I'm available, it's going to let them book a session with me, and then it'll automatically approve. But you can also have it set to manually approve it if you want to make sure you're available. And then I don't have any help desk set up for that particular thing. And then right here is where you sync it with your calendar. So sync to an external calendar, and you would just say, yes, sync it, and then you basically from the drop-down menu select the Gmail integration that I just showed you a second ago. And so then it'll compare if you're available or not, and then you can assign tags, you can subscribe them to a list, you can add them to sequences, and do different automations based on when they book, which is awesome. So you can fire off all kinds of different automation and do different things for them. And that's it. So then it gives you this link that you could embed wherever you want for your calendar. So let me just paste it real quick and show you. So it pulls up real quick, and so you can see my logo and all the information. If I have a little typo there, but that's okay. And then it shows the availability. So I don't have anything available right now, but then here's some availability here. So at any point they could just say I want this time slot, and they say yep, and then they can just book that 1 hour with you. So it's that simple. So yeah, so Kartra's calendar integrated with Gmail is pretty cool. Like I said, Infusionsoft doesn't come with it, but you could do Appointment Core, and it pretty much does very similar stuff. But Kartra's is pretty slick because it comes included. So hopefully that helps, guys. Talk to you soon.